This is Nidhi Ghetia. Today we will discuss the drugs of the or examples of the resin. Okay, so let's be started. So today's our study of the content, that is examples of the resin. So today we learn the three examples, that is the asafoetida, then mahir and colophony. Okay, today we learn these three drugs of the resin. Okay, so now we started with the asafoetida. So now we see the synonyms, biological source, then families and distribution of the asafoetida. So first, that is the synonym. So there is a synonym, that is devil's drug. Then also that's called the hing or hinguka and gum asafoetida. Okay, these all are the synonyms of the asafoetida. Okay, devil's drug, drug and hing, and also hinguka and gum asafoetida. Then biological source, that is it is the oleogum resin obtained by the incising the living rhizome and roots of the ferula foetida regule or ferula asafoetida L. Okay, these two biological naming source of the asafoetida or hing. In Gujarati we call the hing. Okay, and now we see the family that's belong with the Umbelliferae family. Okay, also called the Umbelliferous family. Okay, now we see the distribution. So distribution in the eastern Iran and western Afghanistan. Okay, mostly they distributed in these two countries, that is the two regions, that is eastern Iran and western Afghanistan. Okay, so this is the general view or biological naming of the asafoetida. Okay, so now we see the structure, the plant and powder form of the asafoetida or hing. This is the plant, left hand side picture, that is the plant of the asafoetida, and right hand side picture there indicates the powder form of the asafoetida. Okay, so this is the powder form and plant pictures of the asafoetida. Now we see the chemical constituents of the asafoetida. Okay, so it is the containing 4 to 15% of the volatile oil, and also they contain the 45 to 65% of the resins, and they also contain the 20% of the gums. Okay, in main constituent, that is this three constituents. First, that is the volatile oil and resins, and also they having the oleogum. Okay, so gum also present in their structure. So 4 to 15%, that is volatile oil constituents, and 45 to 65%, that is resin component, the resin ratio, and then 20% of the gum present in the structure of the asafoetida. Okay, so volatile oil are responsible for the odor or smell. Okay, so volatile oil containing pinene. Okay, so pinene and organic disulfide, including the isobutyl propanyl disulfide, responsible for the Elias odor. Okay, volatile oil ની જે છે એ સ્મેલ માટે જે એલિયસ ઓફ સ્મેલ છે અસાફોટીડાની એના માટે રિસ્પોન્સિબલ છે. Okay, in volatile oil especially pinene and organic disulfide. Organic disulfide including with the isobutyl propanyl disulfide, that is responsible for the odor of the asafoetida. Okay, so the resins consist of the asaretinotanol, the resin alcohol which are the present partially in the free state and partially in the combined with the ferulic acid, then umbelliferone and galvanic acid. Okay, so the resin constitute with the asaretinotanol, that main constituents of the resin, that is asaretinotanol. So asaretinotanol, that is the combination of the resin and alcohol. Okay, so resin and alcohol which are present in partially in free state and also partially in the combined state, with the ferulic acid and amblyopharon and galvanic acid. ઓકે, જે રાઝિન અને આલ્કોહોલ છે એ પાર્શિયલી ફ્રી સ્ટેટમાં હશે અને પાર્શિયલી કમ્બાઇન્ડ સ્ટેટમાં હશે. સો કમ્બાઇન્ડ સ્ટેટમાં વિથ ferulic acid and amblyopharon and then galvanic acid. Okay, these three combination combined with the resin and alcohol. Okay, then there are three sulfur. Okay, they having the three sulfur in their components, so compound that have been isolated from the Asafoetida resin. Okay, there are three sulfur groups in their structure or compound, so that have been isolated from the Asafoetida. Okay, so this is the chemical constituents. Now we see the uses of the Asafoetida. So Asafoetida used as the carminative. Okay, હિંગનો યુઝ મોસ્ટલી આપણે કાર્મિનેટિવ તરીકે કરીએ છીએ. ઇન કાર્મિનેટિવ, સો they relieves the excessive collection of the gas from the stomach. ઓકે, જે એક્સેસિવ પ્રમાણમાં ગેસનું જે કલેક્શન થાય છે આપણા સ્ટમકની અંદર, એને રિલીવ કરવાનું જે વર્ક છે એને કાર્મિનેટિવ કહેવાય છે. ઓકે, સો એઝ અ કાર્મિનેટિવ પર્પઝ we use the Asafoetida or hing. Okay, and also we used as the expectorant and as the antispasmodic. So antispasmodic, that is the drug that counteract a sudden violent and involuntary muscular contraction. Okay, so જે મસલ્સનું જે કોન્ટ્રાક્શન થવાનું હોય ઇનવોલ્યુન્ટરી થઈ ગયું હોય ત્યારે પણ આપણે હિંગનો યુઝ કરી શકીએ છીએ. એન્ડ એઝ અ લેક્ઝેટિવ પર્પઝ we are also used as the laxative purpose. Okay, so which induce the active movement of the bowel. So bowel irregular થઈ ગયું હોય ત્યારે પણ તમે એન્ટી laxative તરીકે લઈ શકો છો. Like laxative, we are mostly laxative used in the constipation condition. Okay, so it is the used as the repellent 2% of the weight by volume suspension against to dogs, cats, deer and rabbits. Okay, we take hing as the repellent. Okay, from the against with the dogs, cats, then deer and rabbits. Okay, for 2% of the weight by volume suspension. Okay, not the direct, but we take the 2% of the weight by volume suspension. Okay, then it is still employed in the veterinary externally to prevent the bandage chewing by dogs. Okay, then it is also used as the powerful nerving stimulant, especially in nervous disorder related to hysteria. Okay, in hysteria condition we also use the Asafoetida or hing. Okay, for the stimulate the nervous system. Okay, it is also used as the powerful nerving stimulant, especially in the nervous disorder related to hysteria. And then galvanic acid, that is GBA, galvanic acid, is the active constituents present in the Asafoetida having the anti-cancerous activity. ગાલ્વેનિક એસિડ જેનો મેન એક્ટિવ કન્સ્ટિટ્યુઅન્ટ છે તે અસાફોટિડાની અંદર, તો તે એન્ટી કેન્સરિયસ એક્ટિવિટી પણ આપે છે. એટલે વી આર ઓલ્સો યુઝડ હિંગ એઝ ધી એન્ટી કેન્સરિયસ એજન્ટ. ઓકે, then the gums resin Asafoetida is used as the flavoring, food preservative and also fragrance. We are use hing in regular our kitchen. Okay, for the flavoring purpose, then food preservative purpose and also fragrance. Fragrance and flavoring both are same. Okay, same related word, not as same but related. Flavoring and fragrance. Okay, so this is the Asafoetida also in hing. Okay, so now we see the second one drug, that is myrrh. Okay, so now we started with the synonym. So myrrh synonym, that is gum myrrh, myra, bole and hirabole. This four the synonym of the myrrh. Gum myrrh, then mahira, myrha, then bole and hirabole. These are four synonyms of the myrrh. Then biological source. So it is the oleogum resin obtained by the incision on the stem and branches of the Comnifera molmol elgar from the other species of the Comnifera. Okay, Comnifera molmor and other species of the Comnifera. We take the oleogum resin, this oleogum resin by incision processor of the stem and branch of the Comnifera molmol and also other species of the Comnifera. Okay, their family, that is the Burseraceae family. Then distribution in the North and East Africa, Somaliland and Southern Arabia. Okay, these two regions for the distribution of the myrrh. Okay, so now we see the plant and their structure, plant structure base and myrrh in resin. We see that. So left hand side, that is the plant of the myrrh, and right hand side, that is the resin form of the myrrh. Okay, so these two are the plant and resin pictures of the myrrh. Okay, now we see the chemical constituents of the myrrh. So myrrh contain with the volatile oil, that is 2.5 to 8%. Myrrh contain with the volatile oil, that is the main constituents, volatile oil, resin, gum. These three are the main constituents of the myrrh. Okay, volatile oil for the purpose of the fragrance or their odor. Then resin and also gum, that because of the oleogum resin. Okay, so volatile myrrh containing the volatile oil, so 2.5 to 8%, and cuminic aldehyde, then eugenol, then alpha pinene, then limonene and sequiterpene. These all are the volatile oil. They contains the 2.5 to 8% in their. Okay, then resins. So resins are the 25 to 40%. So resin acid like alpha, beta or gamma. Comnifera foric acid. Okay, besides the itself, it also contains the two phenolic resins, that is alpha and beta, myrrholic acid, which are ether insoluble. Alpha beta myrrholic acid, that is insoluble in the ether, and alpha, beta and gamma comniforic acid, that resin like the acid, and also they contain the two phenolic resin, that is alpha and beta myrrholic acid, which are not soluble in ether. Okay, then now we see the gums. So 60% of the gums are present in the myrrh. So gum containing oxidase enzyme. Okay, gum containing the oxidase enzyme, and on hydrolysis it yields to arabinose 4 or O methyl glucuronic acid and aldeburonic acid. Okay, this is this is the gum. So they present in the 60%. Okay, then now we see the chemical constituents in phenolic compound. So it also having the or contain the phenolic compounds such as the pyrocatechin and protocatechuic acid. Okay, these two are the phenolic components. Then the crude alcohol, that is insoluble fraction. So gum comprises of the protein, that is in 18%, and carbohydrate in 64%, made up of the arabinose and galactose and glucuronic acid. Okay, they having the phenolic components, two phenolic components, and they also having the alcohol, crude alcohol, insoluble fraction. Okay, so gum comprises of the protein, it 80%, 18%, and carbohydrate, that is 64%. Okay, they made up of the arabinose and galactose and also glucuronic acid. Okay, these all are the chemical constituents of the myrrh. Now we see the uses of the myrrh. Okay, so myrrh is used as the antiseptic, stimulant, astringent, so used in the mouthwash and toothpaste in perfume industry and incense. Okay, so myrrh is used as the antiseptic, for the purpose of the antiseptic and stimulant and also astringent. So because of the three property of the myrrh, we used in the made up of the mouthwash, toothpaste and also in the perfume industry and incense. Okay, incense, that is the best fragrance dhoop, incense like the dhoop. Okay, in Gujarati dhoop. We for these three property we used in the mouthwash, preparation of the mouthwash and toothpaste, and they're having the also good fragrance, so we used as the perfume and industry and also incense. Okay, then it is also protective because of the their antiseptic and stimulant property. Okay, so it is also protective and it has carminative effect also. એમની carminative effect પણ છે. Okay, now we see the colophony. This is the third drug of the resins. So now we started with their biological source, synonyms and family and distribution. Okay, so colophony synonym, that is rosin, rosina, then colophonium resin, then wood rosin and long needle pine and chair and umber resin. These all are the synonyms of the colophony. Okay, rosin, then rosina, then colophonium resin and wood rosin, then long needle pine and chair and umber resin. These all are the synonyms. Okay, now we see the biological source. So colophony is the solid residue obtained after the distilling the oleoresin from Pinus palustrus and various species of the Pinus. Okay, this is the biological source of the Pinus palustrus. This is the biological name of the colophony. Okay, then various species of the Pinus. So their family, that is Pinaceae family, and distribution in the southeast USA, then southwest France, then Pakistan and also Himalayan territories in India. Okay, in distributed in the USA, east and south and east USA, also south and west France and Pakistan, in India Himalayan region in India. Okay, this is the plant and resin of the pine tree. Okay, all colophony. Okay, then now we see the chemical constituents of the colophony or pine. So colophony contain the 90% of the resin acid known as the abatic acid. Okay, colophony are contain the 90% of the acid known as the abatic acid. Because of they having the resin, so 90 most in value of the most in amount of the resin in their drug. Okay, that is the abatic acid. So resinic acid are present, that is abatic acid. Then the remaining 10% of the resins and an inert substance and ester of the fatty acid. Okay, 10%, remaining 10% as the resins, they having the substance and ester of the fatty acid. Okay, then it also contain a mixture of the dihydroabatic acid. Okay, dihydroabatic acid. Okay, and then dihydroabatic acid, dihydroabatic acid and dehydroabatic acid. Okay, then other acid in the colophony are saponic acid and pymeric acid. Okay, other acid like in colophony, that is saponic acid and pymeric acid, and it also contain the volatile oil in 0.5% to and 3 to 10%, that is unsaponifiable matters contain the hydrocarbon and high molecular weight in alcohol. Okay, molecular weight alcohol in 5.5% volatile oil present, then 3 to 10% unsaponifiable matters are present, and hydrocarbons and high molecular weight of the alcohol are present in the colophony. Okay, so these all are the chemical constituents of the colophony. Okay, now we see the uses of the colophony. So colophony is stimulant and diuretic. Okay, so colophony is stimulant and also they acting as the diuretic, and mainly used in the preparation of the ointment, plaster, varnish, cement, then papers, then soap, disinfectant, liquid, printing ink, and wood polishing. Okay, for the colophony are mostly used as the preparation in the ointments and plasters and varnish, then cements, then peppers, then soaps, then disinfecting liquids, then printing in ink and wood polish. Okay, and then its derivative are used in the table film and entry coating purpose and formulate microcapsule and nanoparticles. Okay, its derivatives, colophony derivatives are used in the tablet film. Okay, tablet film, not table but tablet film. Okay, this is my mistake. So tablet film entry coating purpose and to formulate the microcapsule and also nanoparticles, they making their derivatives. Okay, colophony derivative, and then it is used for the waterproofing cardboard and walls, also used for the waterproofing cardboards and also making in the walls. Okay, so this is the uses of the colophony. So now we will end the we will end the our session. So session of the resin. So today we learn the three example that is of the resin, that is the asafoetida, then myrrh and colophony. Okay, so thank you.